You don't have a discipline problem. You have a timing problem. You make almost every money decision at the exact worst moment, tired, tempted, stressed, or scrolling at midnight. That's why your willpower keeps losing. Nobody makes wise choices in the heat of the moment, and your bank account is the scoreboard. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Rich people aren't more disciplined than you. They just made their decisions earlier, when they were calm. The fix isn't a budgeting app or a guilt spiral. It's a single repeating appointment I call the money date. 20 minutes, once a week, with your money. Let me show you why this works. Money mistakes don't happen on the day you check your accounts. They happen in the gaps, the days you avoid looking. Avoidance feels like safety, but it's actually how small leaks become floods. The money date removes the gap. You face the numbers on a schedule, not by accident. Picture two people. The first only opens his banking app when something's wrong, a declined card, an overdraft, a panic. He always meets his money as an enemy. The second sits down every Sunday, calm with a coffee, and simply looks. Same income. But one is reacting to fires, the other is preventing them. So here's how the money date actually works. Pick one fixed time every week. Sunday morning, Friday evening. Doesn't matter, it just has to repeat. 20 minutes. You sit down, you open your accounts, and you do 3 simple things. Look, decide, plan. That's the whole ritual. Step 1, look. No judging, no panicking. You just read the numbers out loud. What came in, what went out, what's coming up. The goal isn't guilt, it's awareness. Most people are scared of their balance because they never look. When you look weekly, the fear disappears. Familiarity kills fear. Step 2, decide. This is where the magic lives. Every spending decision for the coming week you make now while you're calm. Groceries, that purchase you've been eyeing, the night out. You pre-decide. So when temptation hits on Wednesday, there's no battle. You already chose. Your future self just follows orders. Here's the counterintuitive part. Willpower in the moment is a myth. By evening, your brain is fried from 100 tiny decisions. Asking it to resist a checkout button is asking a tired soldier to win a war. So you don't fight in the moment. You win the war on Sunday when you're sharp. Step 3, plan one small move forward. Maybe you move a little into savings. Maybe you cancel a subscription you forgot about. Maybe you set one tiny goal for the week. Just one. The money date isn't about doing everything. It's about doing one intentional thing every single week on repeat. Now the objection. I don't have enough money to bother reviewing it. That's backwards. The less you have, the more every dollar matters and the more a leak costs you. The money date isn't for the rich. It's how ordinary people become the kind who never panic about money again. And here's what happens over months. Week 1 feels awkward. Week 4 feels normal. By week 12, you know your number's cold. You stop being surprised by money. You stop reacting. Decisions get faster and calmer because you've seen the patterns. That quiet confidence, that's what wealthy people actually have. Not luck, visibility. The money date also fixes relationships. If you share money with someone, you both sit down, calm, scheduled, no ambush. Money fights happen because couples only talk about money during a crisis. Move the conversation to a calm, weekly slot, and the fights mostly vanish. Same money, different timing. Notice the theme. Every fix here is the same trick. Move the decision away from the emotion. Don't shop hungry. Don't budget exhausted. Don't talk money mid-argument. The money date is just a container for calm decisions. And calm decisions, repeated weekly, compound into a completely different life. So this week, do it once. Pick your time. Block 20 minutes. Sit down and just look, decide, and plan one move. It will feel small, almost too small to matter. That feeling is exactly why most people never do it, and exactly why it works. Remember this, you will never out-discipline a bad moment, so stop trying. Move every money decision to your calm, scheduled 20 minutes. Win the war on Sunday, and the rest of the week takes care of itself. That's the money date. Book yours before you scroll away.